Good morning, students. Welcome to IIT online classes. Students, in the previous classes, we discussed about polynomials and LCM and HCF of polynomials. Today, I am going to explain a new concept that is nothing but quadratic equations. So, what is a quadratic equation? So before to go and discuss about the quadratic equation, first of all remember what is a quadratic polynomial. If f of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c, where a not equal to 0, a, b, c are real numbers, then we call f of x is a quadratic function. Quadratic function or quadratic polynomial. For instance, children, if f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, where a not equal to 0 and b and c are real numbers, then we call f of x is a quadratic function or quadratic polynomial. Otherwise, what is another definition for quadratic polynomial? A polynomial which has highest degree is 2 is called quadratic polynomial. Okay, children? So this is about quadratic polynomial. So now come to our topic, quadratic equation. If the polynomial, if f of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a not equal to 0, b, c are real numbers or constants, then we say that f of x is a quadratic equation. Look at the board carefully, children. Understanding? If f of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a not equal to 0, b, c are real numbers, then we say that f of x is a quadratic equation. Understanding quadratic equation? Once again remember, simply f of x or p of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a not equal to 0 and b and c are real numbers, then we say that f of x is a quadratic equation. Sometimes you can write that is p of x also called quadratic equation. Okay, bx plus c equal to 0, where a not equal to 0, b and c are real numbers. Understand, children? It's clear for you. So next we have to find how to find roots of the quadratic equation. So here we have one method that is called Sridharacharya method. Okay, children? How to find roots of the quadratic equation. See, how to find roots of the quadratic equation. So what is the formula for quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay, children? Plus is under side, ax square plus bx equal to minus c. Divide both sides by divided each term by a. So children, how to write ax square by a plus bx by a equal to minus c by a. Now a cancel, then what happened? X square plus b by a into ax equal minus c by a. Are understanding, children? Okay. Now here x square plus b by x is there, here minus c by is there. So I will add both sides by b by 2a whole square on both sides. So answer here x square plus b by a into x plus b by 2a whole square is equal to minus c by a plus b by 2a whole square. Why I am adding both sides b by 2a whole square means here the second term is x square plus b by x can write 2 into b by 2a into x can write or not, children? Because 2 to cancel, b by 8x is there. That's why b by 2 whole square will add together by using algebraic identity a square plus 2ab plus b square formula. So x square plus 2 into b by 2x plus b by 2a whole square equal to minus c by a plus b by 2a whole square. Okay, children. Next simplify this is how to write x plus b by 2a whole square because a square plus 2ab plus b square formula a plus b whole square equal to minus c by a plus b by 2a whole square. Simplify plus b square by 4a square. Find LCM 4a square minus 4ac plus b square. Represent the values b square minus 4ac by 4a square. This is which value? X plus b by 2 whole square. Square root on both sides. Square root on both sides. And what happened? X plus b by 2a is equal to plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by root 4a square. Numerator and denominator individual square root. Look at the board carefully, children. Okay. Then what happened? Numerator square root plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. 2 into a. This is which value? X plus b by 2a value. Now plus b by 2a is always what happened? Minus b by 2a plus or minus square root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now what is common LCM? 2a common minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac. This is the solution of quadratic equation. Are understand, children? So look at the board and then note it down. Sridharacharya method. Okay, children? So Sridharacharya method. Acharya method to find roots of the quadratic equations. Okay? The before method is called Sridharacharya method. That is what? X equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This method is called Sridharacharya method to find roots of the quadratic equations. Are understood, children? What are the roots of the quadratic equation? How to simplify? If ax square plus bx plus c equals 0 is a quadratic equation where a, b, c are constants and a not equal to 0, then plus is n, that side means minus c, then each term divided by a, then what happened? X square plus b by a into x equal minus c by a, then second term b by a into x, how to write? 2 into b by 2a into x. Next add both sides b by 2a whole square. Now it is changed in the formula of a plus b whole square formula, a square plus 2a plus b square. Then simplify the values. Finally got in x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This method is called Sridhar Acharya method to find roots of the quadratic equation. Understood? So now here see in the root one value is there, b square minus 4ac. Here b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. So this is denoted by delta or d symbol also we are using is equal to b square minus 4ac. So what is the use of this discriminant? So based on the discriminant only we can define the roots are equal or different or whatever it, okay. So based on this one discriminant we can tell the nature of the roots. First of all discriminant definition remember b square minus 4ac is called discriminant of the quadratic equation. It is denoted by delta d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So what is the use of discriminant? To find nature of the roots. What are the nature of the roots? The roots equal or different. Okay children? So next class we will see nature of the roots and how to find nature of the roots and sum of the roots and product of the roots. Understood children? So please watch the video 1 or 2 times, note it down on your running notebook. If you have any doubt, you can consult me through WhatsApp number. Thank you.